Hello friends, in today's video I'll be telling you about different types of impression trays. So first of all I'll tell you what an impression tray is. An impression tray is used to carry an impression material into the patient's mouth while recording the impression. I'll repeat it for you once again. An impression tray is used to carry an impression material into the patient's mouth while recording the impression. So, what are the different parts of the impression tray? We have two parts for the impression tray. One is the handle of the impression tray, and the other is the body of the impression tray. So, this is the handle of the impression tray, and this whole area is the body of the tray. Now, I'll tell you the difference between a maxillary tray and a mandibular tray. In the maxillary tray, we have this palatal vault area to record the palatal area of the patient. Let's see this thing inside the model. This is the palatal area. So while recording the maxillary impression, we'll place the tray like this, and the palatal vault area will be recorded with the help of the palatal vault area. Now see, this is the mandibular region. Inside the mandibular region, we have the lingual flange area. So this is the lingual flange area, and this is the labial flange area of this model. So look here, this is the mandibular tray. We don't have the vault area here. We have the lingual flange and the labial flange. So we'll place our impression tray like this, and we'll record the impression of the tray. And you can also clearly see what is the difference between a mandibular and a maxillary tray. So you can clearly make out this is a maxillary tray and this is a mandibular tray. I'll repeat it for you once again. What are the parts of the tray? We have the handle here. This is the handle. This is the handle for the maxillary tray. This is the body of the mandibular tray, and this is the body of the maxillary tray. For the body of the tray, we have the palatal vault area and the flange area. And for the mandibular tray, we have the lingual flange. This is the body, and this is the labial flange area. There is a common mistake which we all do in our hurry, including myself. We don't select the proper size of the tray while recording the impression. So how to select a proper size for the tray, I'll explain you in a separate video. Now I'll tell you what are the different types of the trays. So we have the perforated trays and the non-perforated trays. These are the perforated tray, these are also the perforated tray, and these are the non-perforated trays. So what is the importance of these holes which are present inside here? Material like alginate, they don't stick to the tray while taking the impression, so there is a possibility that they can dislodge. So while recording the alginate impression, the alginate penetrates through these holes, so we get a mechanical lock here. When we take the alginate impressions, the alginate penetrates through these holes, and there is a mechanical locking system here. Whereas in the case of non-perforated trays, the material of choice is compound. The compound already has a locking system, so there is no importance of holes inside these trays. These are also the perforated trays, but these are plastic trays. Now I'll tell you how to classify the impression trays. There are various modes through which we can classify the impression trays. Sorry for the interruption, my baby is continuously disturbing me. See, she's trying to take impressions by herself. I don't know what she's doing. So these are the metallic trays. These are also the metallic trays, and the other one we have, these are the plastic trays. So this was the classification which was based on the type of material they are made. We have metallic trays and we have plastic trays. The metal can be they can be of stainless steel or aluminium or any other material. Then we have the prefabricated and the custom trays. These are all prefabricated trays. These are prefabricated trays. I'll insert a picture of custom trays. Then at last we have disposable trays. I'll also show you the picture of disposable trays. They are for single use. So to summarize the whole thing, the impression trays are used to carry the impression material inside the patient mouth while taking the impression. We have metallic impression trays and we have the plastic impression trays. These are the perforated trays, and we have the non-perforated trays where the material of choice is compound. The material of choice for perforated trays is alginate. We have the prefabricated trays. All of these are prefabricated trays, and we have custom trays and also the disposable trays. So I hope this video will be helpful to you guys in spite of the disturbance that we had here. I hope you like this video. Please do like my video, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Please don't worry about the baby. All these trays were new and they were sterilized too.